how to prepare and implement environment management programs for your work areas and surroundings. Session number 1. I would like to share my experiences as lead auditor for quality management system, that is IS 9001 2015 and ISO version also. Environment Management System, ISO 14001 2015, and the latest version of Indian Standard 18001 dealing with health, safety and environment for last 15 years. I carried out various system audits and implementation of management systems on behalf of reputed company in areas of office, institutions, industries and other areas. During my opening sessions of EMS audit, I used to ask the auditee to name the key element of EMS for improving environmental quality. At maximum places, the answer used to be hitting round the bush, a twisted reply, and at few places, of course, very accurately answered. Yes, it was a mixed response. At the end of deliberation, I used to reveal the answer as identification of environmental aspects and impacts till implementation of EMP. Next question I used to ask, how many EMP have been implemented for the current year? The top management used to answer for the whole unit in terms of numbers, and the same for the department used to be answered by departmental head. During one audit in an international FMCG unit, I asked the cost of ISO system implementations and yearly cost of sustenance for their unit. Also, I asked how much time one spends or the total man hours of the unit for sustaining or implementation of the environment management system. In turn, I asked also what we achieve or what is the return of investment or ROI for the company. Next question I asked them is, what is the fund sanction for EMP's implementation for the current financial year for the unit, and also to intimate me unit wise. Again, the answer to this question you can expect from your end. The truth remains, most of the documents, etc., are only for few people in the organizations. Thus, the system for all fails. Yes, the system is only for audit. For getting certifications as a degree or certificate brand, the company, and not acquiring the purpose of implementations or certifications in most of the cases or most of the places, which is available globally. Most of the companies certified, but still they require proper understanding of the standards, EMP preparation, monitoring and implementation by simple process. That is my experience during the audits, and also I emphasize that the whole world will improve on the basis of important improving element of AMS, that is aspect impact identifications, preparations of EMP, monitoring and implementation. I felt that this important improvement tool in EMS is neglected as people are not able to digest the jargons in EMS standard. I therefore, along with my team, have designed practicing sessions from properties to implementations of EMP. The session answers what is EMP, how to identify EMP in your work areas and surroundings, why EMP, elements of EMP, formats, diagrams used in EMP preparation, roadmap for making to implementation, benefits of EMP in all working areas. Let us understand what is this EMP. An environmental management program is the roadmap of the organization which they will follow to achieve its environmental objectives and targets. A simple example from our daily life will be reducing emissions in our two or four-wheeler, waste reduction at homes as per EMP helps to develop, implement, coordinate and at the end recycling of the waste. This will help in the waste reduction and proper domestic waste management. The salient features of practicing these sessions includes easy practicing formats with photographs of cases, file filling of formats, recording what must be done, who will do, datas for completions, dates for monitoring, and dates for giving the probable date of completion. They say all good practices starts from home. The work spot can start from home like domestic waste management, industries, offices, schools, institutions, roads where you work, study, or travel. EMP helps to bring environmental improvements in all walks of our life. Please attend our practicing sessions and prepare, implement EMPs in all areas of life. The viewers are also requested to give their valuable feedback and can contact us for any supports during preparations of and implementations of EMP. Our next session will deal on how to identify EMP in your work areas or surroundings. Thank you.